Good morning, students. My voice is audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
So, any doubt from anyone from the previous class?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. कोई doubt?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. डाउट है तो बताओ. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
किसी स्टूडेंट ने मुझसे कोई डाउट पूछा था कल मैसेज करके. कौन था वो?
Sir, me.
हाँ सर. एनी डाउट सर?
Sir, वही वाला है sir, जो कल पूछा था.
कैन यू रिपीट द डाउट?
Yes, sir. Sir, वो वाला क्वेश्चन है जिसमें RPQ ढूंढना होता है वो ब्रिज डायग्राम में से.
वी हैव ए वोल्टेज सोर्स ना?
जी जी.
एक मिनट चेक करते हैं. I think this is the question. This one, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is P and this is Q. Okay, you have to find the RTH seeing from the points P and Q. Okay, so you are seeing from this side, these are the two junctions. So whenever you have to find the RTH, you have to short circuit the voltage source. See, this is the voltage source of a potential of 5 volt.
Sir, screen नहीं दिख रहा है.
Present किया है मैंने. Check. Other students are able to see.
Yes, sir.
एक बार रिमूव करके अभी दोबारा ज्वाइन करो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see, this is 5 volt, this is 3 ohm. So voltage source should be open circuit, short circuit. Okay. So I'm writing here, voltage source should be short circuited and current source should be open circuit. If you will short circuit the voltage source, what you will do? You will you will join it with a straight line, and this voltage source will go. So it will look like this only. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If it was a current source, it looked like this one. Suppose this was the current source. So current source will be open circuit. Okay. Suppose this is a 2 ampere current source and this is 3 ohm. So current source will be open circuit. Okay. So after open circuiting, it will look like this. So you can write here, current source will be open circuit. Again, there also I have written one more time I'm writing. Yes. Clear na? Or you have to solve this a full numerical?
Sir, numerical एक बार कर. Sir,
जी.
ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. After you open the after you short the circuit, दोनों पॉइंट्स पे A और A वोल्टेज हो जाएगा ना.
So suppose this is
जो बाहर वाली वायर है जिसमें 3 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस है, उसमें पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप तो 0 है और
नहीं, you can't say there is a zero potential difference ना. हाँ, now there is no voltage source, but if some source is there will be some potential difference. See, this is point A. Now how it will look, I am drawing. Okay. I am removing this voltage source and taking it out. Okay. And replace it with a short circuited wire. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So suppose this is point A and there is a drop of 3 ohm. There is a resistance of 3 ohm.
स्क्रीन दिख नहीं रहा।
आपका सर इंटरनेट वीक है इसका मतलब
उसके बाद नहीं दिख।
आपका इंटरनेट में प्रॉब्लम है। आप क्या वाईफाई यूज कर रहे हैं या फिर मोबाइल हॉटस्पॉट?
मोबाइल का डाटा यूज कर रहा हूँ। स्पीड दे रहा है लेकिन नहीं दिख रहा है।
बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाई दे रहा है?
यस सर। जी।
किसका फॉल्ट है महाराज बताओ, आपका या मेरा?
यस सर।
रात मोबाइल कब कितने बजे तक यूज किया था सर रात को?
सर है डाटा तो अभी वो
12 बजे के बाद लगाई होगी कोई तुमने कोई मूवी वगैरह, संडे की नाइट है चलो जी चला लो फिल्म।
नहीं लगाया।
2 बजे तक पूरा एग्जॉस्ट हो गया होगा डाटा।
11 बजे ही सो गए थे।
अच्छा देखो फिर क्या दिक्कत है, अदरवाइज मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग लगाई हुई है।
दूसरी वाली पे क्लिक कर ले।
ज्वाइन करो दोबारा, डाटा को थोड़ा सेव रखा करो, अदरवाइज रिकॉर्डिंग में भेज दूंगा। इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक तरीके से लगी है, आएगी। ठीक है, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी एंड दिस पॉइंट इज पी, दिस पॉइंट इज क्यू। एनी डाउट अप टू हियर? थोड़ा सा म्यूट कर लो यार, टीवी में का साउंड आ रहा है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम में कुछ कमेंट आ रहे हैं क्या? ओके, 1 second, let me check anybody is there.
Sir, is the class broadcasting on Microsoft Teams too?
In Microsoft Team, recording is not that much good. Like if you use the Paint and all, na, those screen, your white screen, it is not very good. In recording, it won't come. In my Google Meet, it is good. Okay, nobody is there now. Good. So now, even if you will see this college people, the exams they are conducting on Microsoft Team, not on the Google Classroom. No, not in this one. Microsoft, they are conducting the exam in Google Meet, not in the Microsoft Team. So see, from P to B, suppose this is P, this is B, and there is one more point A. I'll draw one by one. So P to B is 1 ohm. B to Q is 3 ohm. Then P to A is 2 ohm. A to Q is 3 ohm. Okay. And A to B is, we have 3 ohm. Any doubt up to here?
No.
Oh, good. So you see this looks like a delta connection. Okay. I am taking the red color. You will see this. you will see this portion looks like a delta connection. Okay, 3, 3, 3. So it is better to convert the delta connection to the star connection. So how it will look, I am taking the blue color. You can see from this one.
So one.
Good.
One,
Good.
one.
Good.
Sir, what is a delta connection?
Delta connection means in this 3 points are connecting with 3 nodes A, B, C like this. Delta shape you have seen, like a triangle type of shape. So this is the delta connection, and star means all the 3 resistors are connected to the one junction. So this is the star one. Look, you can see it looks like a star. Okay. So first one is the delta, second one is the star. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So this shape 333 ohms. How it looks like? It's a star or a delta? This 333. Tell me which shape is this? Delta. Good. So I have to convert into the star. So
Delta, sir.
if you will convert into the star, it will look like this. Okay, then you know what is the formula for star to delta. Product of the opposite arms divided by the total resistance. So 3 into 3 divided by 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3. So this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. So now the shape will be looking like this. P, one, and then again 1, then 2, then one more 1, and then one more 1 ohm resistance, and then Q. So it will be like PQ 1, 1, 1, 1. Sorry, this is 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good.
Nice.
So this 2 and 3 is in the parallel. This,
Fine.
so this will be looking like this. 2 and 3.
6.
Hmm. And in series with one more resistance of value 1 ohm. P, Q. So 2, 3 plus 1. So this 2 in parallel with 3, you know how much?
6 by 5.
Huh. So 6 by 5 in series with 1 ohm. How much will the equivalent?
11 by 5.
11 by 5.
That's it. That is your answer. Okay.
Okay.
One more question I would like to share you. That day actually we solved it and we got the answer. There was some confusion in one when we were converting the star to delta. You solved that question also. So this is clear to everyone, I hope. Yes. Print. So this is the question. 1 ohm, 1 ohm, and 1 ohm. This is star connection. On the outer side, we have 3 ohm, 3 ohm, and 3 ohm. So this will be your 3, 3, 3. This is your 1, 1, 1. This point is your O. Okay, this point is your A, B, and C. So what is asking? RBC first. Okay. RBC means resistance seeing from this side to this side. So RBC is a part of a star connection or delta connection? Delta. So what we will do, we won't disturb the delta, we will disturb the star. So if you convert the delta into the star, so this star into the delta, how it will look like? one more resistance will be coming. So it will be like now this circuit will become like this. First I'll take the black color. So I won't disturb the main circuit. This is one resistance, this is one resistance, and this is one resistance. In coaching center, from where I took this coaching for gate, that time I think they have sold it wrong. So that day we clear this question. So this is delta. If you convert into the star to delta, it will look like this one. One more resistance here. One more resistance here. And one more resistance here. And this is your point B and C. So our main junction RBC has not got disturbed. So we are seeing the circuit resistance from these 2 points. Okay. Any doubt? So in star it was 111. So in delta this value will become how much? 333. So this is 3. This side is 3. And this side is 3. And outer side you already know how much is the value. 3, 3 and 3. So these 3 and this 3 is in parallel. So how it will be looking like? These two junctions are in parallel, 3 and 3. So what will be its equivalent?
3/2.
No, 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am extending this node and making it like this. This, okay, I will make it in an easier way so that you will be able to understand. It will be looking like this. 3 and 3. Then this point I have extended to this here. This is 3. This is 3. Okay, so this 3 and this 3 is in parallel. What will be its equivalent? 1.5. This is also 1.5. And this 3 and 3 is also in the parallel. So this is how much? 1.5. And this is B. This is C. And we are seeing from this side. So this 1.5 and 1.5 is in series. So how it will look now? This will remain as it is 1.5. And 1.5 in series with 1.5, how much?
3.
So you are seeing from these 2 points. So what is your RBC?
1.1.
Yes, that is your answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now the second point. In the second part, he is asking us to solve RAO. What is asking us to solve? RAO. So RAO. So RAO is a part of star or delta? Star. So we will not disturb the star. We will convert delta into the star. Okay. So this is 1. Okay. So this is your A, this is your O, this is your B, and this is your C. Okay. When you convert this delta into the star, it will be looking like this. 1 ohm. Now this junction is different, this junction is different. I don't know when I made this notes in coaching center. Maybe they have might have mentioned that you have to assume both the junction is same. Suppose both the junction are not same. So this is better, I think. The way now we are doing is better. So I am converting this triangle delta into the star. So it will look like this. So these grounds will not be joined, but this point A, point C, and point B will be joined. Okay. So it look like this. 3, one more resistance here, and one more resistance is here. And what will be its value? 1, 1, and 1. Good. So now I am joining the points. These 2 points are joined. Okay, this ground we don't know what is the ground are joining or not. Okay, we can't assume both the points are same. So this is the right explanation. So O and O dash, both the grounds are different. This is O, this point is different, this point is different, because you can see here there is no joining with this ground point. So these 2 points will be different, but these delta node and star nodes are joining at point A. When initially question was given, when these blue lines were not there, you can see star and delta were joining at these 2 points, A, B, and C. Okay. So these 2 points, when we convert to delta also, this delta to star also, we have to join these 3 points. So A is joined with A, B is joining with this point, and C is joining with this point. So now this is C, this is B, this is O, this is O dash. These 2 points are not joined, because if you will see star to delta connection, when question was given in this form. This was one resistance, and this was one resistance, and in between we have a star connection. One resistance here, one resistance here, and one resistance in this side. So you can see here also, although these 3 junction A, B, C are joining, but the midpoints is not at all joining. So even when we convert the star to delta or delta to star, we cannot join this middle point. Okay, so middle points are mutually exclusive, independent to each other. They are not in contact with each other. Okay, so now we have to find RAO. So we will see from these 2 points like this. We have to find the resistance from here, RAO. Called it as RAO. Okay. So how we will modify the circuit? This is your A, this is your O. Any doubt up to here? Yes, no?
No, sir.
No, good. So R2O is 1 ohm. O to B is 1 ohm. Then B to B ohm, B dash, O dash is also 1 ohm. And O dash to A is also 1 ohm. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No. Now we have gone from this side. Now O to C is how much? 1 ohm. C to O dash is also 1 ohm. B to O dash 1 ohm. Please check. Everything is okay. We have covered all the point. So this is your A.
Yes, sir.
This is your O. Correct now? So O to O dash, 1 and 1. These two things are in what?
Series.
These two things are in what?
Series.
Series.
So now it will look like one resistance is like this. This resistance I am extending to upper side. Okay, like this. This 1 ohm I am writing instead of this side, I am writing on the top side. So that picture will look more easy. So this will be your 2 ohm. And this is also one more resistance of 2 ohm. Okay. And this is 1 ohm. And this is also 1 ohm. This is A. This is O. And this is RAO. Correct? So 2 ohm and 2 ohm. These two things are in what?
Parallel.
Parallel. So it will look like this. 1 ohm.
One.
Again 1 ohm. And again 1 ohm. So this is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is A. This is O. So now this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm is in what?
Series.
Series. So 1 ohm in series with 1 ohm will be like, what will be the equivalent?
2.
So this is 1 ohm. This is 2 ohm.
2 by 3.
This is RAO. So what is the answer?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Okay.
बी और सी भी तो कनेक्ट है आपस में.
एक मिनट रुको आता हूँ. Yes, sir. What are you saying?
सर बी और सी भी तो आपस में कनेक्ट है.
B और C कहाँ कनेक्ट है? ये तो जंपर लगाया हुआ है ऊपर से.
ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन में बी और सी में कनेक्शन नहीं है.
हाँ, that connection we have moved now. We have converted that connection into the star connection. So how it will look now?
ओके सर, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
Okay. I think this is the most easiest explanation I have given. I think it should be clear to everyone now.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
This figure is very important to understand. Any doubt from anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Shall we solve few more questions? Anybody is having any query?
No, sir.
नो सर.
Question.
क्वेश्चन कराइए.
Question?
क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व कराइए.
Okay. Solve it. Find R equivalent. All the resistance are having a value of 1 ohm.
equivalent.
Okay. Two ohm. Any doubt from anyone?
No, sir.
Load.
When it is R equivalent, then what is the answer?
R equivalent plus 1 ohm. 2 R equivalent.
2 are equivalent. 2 are equivalent as well.
Good. Okay. Now you tell me the answer. When all the resistance, any doubt from any student, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
It's a tutorial class, so it's your wish only. Whatever you want to ask, ask.
Yes sir, 2 ohm कैसे आया?
Very good. तो पूछो ना. देखो, ये this is an infinite circuit. Okay, it's going towards infinite side. Same thing is there. 1 1. Initially it was 1 1. Okay, circuit was like this. So the same circuit is repeating till the infinite. Okay. So if we are seeing from this side, it is R equivalent. If we see from this side also, what will be its value? If you take one drop out from the C, still it will look like a C. Correct? You will see from this side also, because this series is going towards infinite. It's very long series. So if you will see from if from this side, if seeing into the circuit from this side, it is looking like infinite R equivalent from RAB. If you see from this side also, the same thing is repeating here. See carefully. This same thing is repeating again and again. Okay. So
Okay sir.
this will be your R. This will be some value. This won't be R equivalent because in R equivalent this is short circuited. So this will be some value. Suppose this is R equivalent prime. Okay. This whole resistance, I am removing this part. See carefully. From this side it is R equivalent, but there this wire is getting short circuited. But all the other wires is having a resistance of 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This resistance is 1 ohm. 1 second. I'll take some other color. First, see, this is 1 ohm and this is short circuited. So what is the equivalent of 1 ohm in parallel with short circuited wire?
1 ohm.
No. 0 ohm. How much?
0.
0. So 1 in parallel
0.
with 0 is 1 into 0 upon 1 plus 0. So this is 0, this is 1 and this is 1. So this circuit is different compared to the other circuit. In all other circuit, it is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. All the three sides are having a resistance of 1 ohm. Top side, right side and bottom side. Here also 1, 1, 1. So if this is R equivalent, we assume this is something else. Suppose this is R equivalent prime. Some name you have given. This is X ohm, Y ohm, anything you give. So suppose this is R equivalent dash. If we remove this part, if I remove this part from the circuit, why I am removing this part? Because this part is containing a extra short circuited path. Okay. Due to this, we are not getting the same resistance that we are getting for the other circuit. So suppose this is R equivalent dash. So how now circuit will be looking? It will look like this. This is 1 ohm. This is short circuited wire. So I am now shorting it. Okay. This is 1 ohm. And this resistance, okay, I'll put this 1 ohm also for your convenience. So this is 1 ohm. This is one more wire. This is one more wire. 1 ohm resistance. 1 ohm resistance. This is also 1 ohm resistance. Then this is the shorted wire. And we know the equivalent resistance of all the above right side circuit is R equivalent prime. I called it as R equivalent dash or R equivalent prime, whatever is convenient to you. Okay. And we have to find this resistance. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes sir.
So this one in parallel with short circuited wire, what is the equivalent? One in parallel with
Zero.
0. So you have to find R equivalent from here. R equivalent. This is 1. This is 1. And this is short circuited. Now again this is in, there is one more resistance, R equivalent prime. Now 0 ohm in parallel with R equivalent dash. What will be the resultant?
Zero.
0. So it will look like this. Short circuited wire. 0 ohm is open circuit or short circuited? Short circuit. That's it.
Short circuit.
So three things are in series. 1 ohm in series with 0 ohm in series with 1 ohm. What is the equivalent?
Two.
That's it. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. So अभी थोड़ा क्वेश्चन मैं चेंज कर रहा हूं. अभी इस शॉर्ट सर्किटेड वायर को मैं रिमूव कर रहा हूं, ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज चेंज. नाउ दिस इज द न्यू क्वेश्चन. आई रिमूव दिस शॉर्ट सर्किटेड वायर.
लास्ट में क्या किए हैं? लास्ट में लास्ट वाला समझ में नहीं आया.
कौन सा वाला? दिस वन?
यस सर, लास्ट पोर्शन.
दिस पोर्शन और दिस पोर्शन?
सर ये सर जो आर इक्विवेलेंट डैश है उसका क्या हुआ?
आर इक्विवेलेंट इन पैरेलल विद व्हिच रेजिस्टेंस?
ये 0 क्यों? यस सर 0 हो जाएगा. हो गया.
ठीक है सर.
ओके.
Now what I have done, I remove the short circuited part. So you have to find the expression for R equivalent. What will you get?
Sir, R equivalent equal to root 3 plus 1.
Root 3 plus 1.
हाँ,
root 2 plus 1.
करेक्ट है. ठीक है. तो अभी क्या होगा, ये सारी अब ये वैल्यू R equivalent प्राइम नहीं रहेगी. अब सब फंक्शन सेम है. So this will be R equivalent. So how you will see the circuit now? Instead of this 1 ohm, it will look like this, and this will be R equivalent. Okay, so now it won't be a short circuit with 0 ohm resistance. There will be a resistance of 1 ohm in parallel with this one. So this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm. Then you have to find R equivalent in parallel with 1. So कुछ वैल्यू आएगी, फिर ये दो रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज में हो जाएंगे. Okay, so how it will look now? I delete this section. So now it will look like R equivalent in parallel with 1. What is the equivalent now? This is 1 ohm. This is some value, and this is 1 ohm, and this value is R equivalent. So this is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. R equivalent in parallel with this won't be R equivalent dash. This will be R equivalent. Why this time it is same? Because all the resistances are same now. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Same thing is keep repeating itself. Okay. So last time this was short circuited. So we keep it as R equivalent dash. But this time all are R equivalent. Okay. So this will be R equivalent in parallel with 1. So R equivalent into 1 upon R equivalent plus 1. So what will the resultant? R equivalent into 1 upon R equivalent plus 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this R equivalent into 1 will be nothing but R equivalent. So R equivalent plus upon R equivalent plus 1. So मैं ऊपर move कर रहा हूँ इधर. This will be looking like 1 plus 1 plus something in series. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2.
2.
Okay. So this is R equivalent. And this value will be 2 into 2 plus R equivalent upon R equivalent plus 1. Any doubt from anyone? Please ask. Okay. So 2 plus R equivalent into R equivalent plus 1 will be equal to R equivalent. तो इसको दोनों को इस इक्वेशन को लिखो. कॉपी पेस्ट. दोबारा बोलिए सर. See, there are few queries from the South Indian student that Sir, you given the answer. When a student asks the query in the Hindi, you given the answer in the Hindi. So I request everyone, if you want to ask any query, ask in the English. Because if you ask in Hindi, then I have to give the answer in the Hindi. Okay. So solve it and find R equivalent. Any doubt?
No, sir.
1 plus root 3. Sir.
हाँ, answer is not matter. Yeah, logic is matter. Logic is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So suppose R the resistance is having a value of 2 ohms. What will be the answer? Instead of 1, replace all the values to the 2 ohms. What will be your R equivalent then? And all the resistance are of 2 ohms. In last case, what was the answer?
Root 3 plus 1.
2.732, correct now?
Four plus root 2 plus 2 root
Sir,
3.
2 root 2.
2 root 2.
2 plus 2 root 2.
2 plus 2 root 3.
Yes, 2 plus 2 root 3.
3, sir. हाँ जी, sorry. 3.
तो याद कर लो, सिंपल शॉर्टकट है कंपटीशन में, फ्यूचर में अगर कहीं देना चाहो तो r प्लस r रूट 3 हमेशा एक्सप्रेशन होता है. ओके. So in first case it was 1 ohm. So 1 plus 1 root 3. So 2.732 is the answer. When it is 2 ohm, 2 plus 2 root 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ये रटना वटना मत, निकाल लेना पेपर में, ठीक है. Shall we move forward? Till now, whatever I am teaching is like you are able to understand the things now.
Yes, sir.
If any doubt comes, you can ask me. You all have my WhatsApp number also, okay? And usually I respond immediately if you reply. Yes. Tell me RXY.
Ten by 11.
Correct.
So 10 by 11.
ठीक है. Any doubt from anyone?
Ten by 11.
Good. Easy question ही है. But actually I am making base for the future questions. इसका आंसर भी तुम्हें पहले ही पता होगा, बता दो क्या है। यस, टेल मी। In first part R X Y, anybody is having any doubt? Correct. In first part, anybody is having any doubt?
सर एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
ये वाला क्वेश्चन ना, इजी तरीका क्या है, तुम यू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम पॉइंट टू पॉइंट। यू सपोज दिस इज पॉइंट P।
9 में 2 आ रहा है सर।
Which one? This one? 4.5. So this is P, this is your Y. So draw the discrete diagram. X to P is 1 ohm. Then X to Y is how much? X to P is 1 ohm, X to Y 2 ohm. Then P to Y is how much? One ohm. And P to Y is also one more resistance is there. 2 ohm. Any doubt? See, X to P is 1 ohm. X to P is 1 ohm. X to P is 1 ohm. Then X to Y is how much? 2 ohm. Then P to Y is 2 ohm. And P to this point is also Y, na? So P to Y is also 1 ohm. And you have to find what? R X Y. So you know this 1 and 2 is in the parallel. So what will be the equivalent? बोलो कुछ।
2/3 2/3
इसको कोई डाउट है?
नो।
जिसने क्वेरी पूछी थी उससे पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, उन्हें क्लियर है?
जी
डाउट है तो पूछ लो गुरु जी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। दिस इज 2, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. So this 1 and 2 is in the parallel. Equivalent will be 2/3. This 2/3 in 1 in the series. So what will be the equivalent? 5/3, correct?
यस सर।
So 5/3 and 2 is in what?
पैरेलल।
निकाल दो क्या आएगा।
ठीक है।
देखो यहाँ पर 3 3 3 एक स्टार, दिस इज मेकिंग a star connection. Convert this connection to the delta. Then you can solve. So this 9 and 9 will be in the parallel. This 9 and this 9 will be in the parallel. So this will be 4.5, this will be 4.5. And these two things will be in the series. So 4.5 plus 4.5 will be 9. And then this 9 and this 9 will be in the parallel. So resultant will be 4.5.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt sir.
Okay. I'll stop the class. I'll take the attendance. Then you can go. Today is last time the class happened on 7th, 8th. Correct na? And 9th. Now today will be 14th. This is B1C group, correct?
Yes sir.
Roll number 113 to 168. Okay. CSC. First year. Okay, good. Roll number 113,
Present, sir.
114,
Present, sir.
115,
Present, sir.
116,
Present, sir.
117,
Present, sir.
118,
Present, sir.
119,
Present, sir.
120, 120, 120 absent, 121.
Present, sir.
ओके 121 तक लीव कर जाओ 121 तक 120 absent है ना 122
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
सर प्रेजेंट है सर 120
1
122, sir.
सर 1
अभी वेट बाद में बोलना है एक बार अटेंडेंस कर दो 122
प्रेजेंट सर
वेट करो 122
So 121 भी present है.
तुम सो रहे थे क्या अभी तक 122
Yes, sir.
वेट हाँ 122 कैन लीव 123
Present, sir.
124 125
Present, sir.
126 127
Present, sir.
128
Present, sir.
129
Yes, sir.
130
Yes, sir.
okay 120 is present or absent 121
Present, sir.
roll number
सर 120 प्रेजेंट है सर
okay 120 present 121 present 126
सर 1
Yes, sir.
126 ठीक है 120 121 you can leave 130 131
Present, sir.
132
Present, sir.
133
Present, sir.
134
Present, sir.
135
Present, sir.
136
Present, sir.
137 138
Present, sir.
139
Present, sir.
140
Present, sir.
141 142
Present, sir.
143 144
Present,
145
Present, sir.
146 147 148
Present, sir.
149
Present, sir.
150
Present, sir.
151 152
Yes, sir.
153 154
Present, sir.
150 153 absent na 152
Sir, 152.
okay 152 153 154
Present, sir.
154
Present, sir. Present.
155 155 156 157
Present, sir.
158
Present, sir.
159
Present, sir.
160
Present, sir.
161
Present, sir.
162
Present, sir.
163
Present, sir.
164
Present, sir.
165 166
Present, sir.
167
Present, sir.
168
Present, sir.
okay, absents are 126 137 141 146 147 151
No, sir.
1
141 is present.
your name
Sir, Smriti Chaurashya.
where were you when I was asking the attendance
Sir, I told you. I said present.
okay 141 correct
Yes, sir.
okay so 146 absent 147 absent 151 absent 153
127 present है.
अरे भाई मैं 37 बोल रहा हूँ सुन लो फिर से 126 137 146 47 151, 153, 165.
153 present sir.
165 कहाँ पे थे तुम लोग पहले?
अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था वो माइक.
153 present, 165 present. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
लास्ट
Please.
क्वेश्चन दिखा दो.
हैं?
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बस दिखा दो. क्वेश्चन क्या था?
This one.
नहीं सर वो स्टार्ट डेल्टा करना था ना.
This one.
जी सर बस एक मिनट क्वेश्चन लिख लेंगे. इसमें दो सेट्स पैरेलल में होंगे, एक सीरीज में होगा. ओके थैंक यू.
सर 120 प्रेजेंट है सर. अटेंडेंस मेरी बनी.
120 कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? तुम तो बोलेंगे अटेंडेंस.
हेलो
120.
सर बोले थे.
रोल नंबर क्या है सर आपका? व्हाट इज योर रोल नंबर?
सर 120
128. तुम प्रेजेंट हो.
रंजन कुमार.
प्रेजेंट हो, ठीक है. यू आर प्रेजेंट.
ओके सर.
ओके.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू.